Hello guys, this is Ashish from HWIFX. In last video, I have told about what is trading, how you can make money in trading, and what is a different type of trading. Okay, so there are different tradings. I told everyone about futures and options, investment, intraday trading, day trading, crypto trading, commodity trading. There are a lot of things about trading. But when it comes to make money in market, we have to do analysis because when we do analysis then only we will be able to buy or sell shares in the market. It could be any type of market. Okay, so here in this video I'm going to tell you about analysis. So what is analysis of market? When we have to go ahead and invest something in any particular stock or particular company, or we have to trade in particular currency or commodity, so we have to go through analysis. What analysis we have to go through? Why we need analysis? We need analysis because we cannot blindly go and invest our hard earned money. So we have to be assured that okay, I'm going to invest this money over here and this money is going to multiply or it is going to grow in future. So that's why invest analysis is important. Okay, so when it comes to analysis, there are only two types of analysis in the market which are main. First one is technical analysis, second one is fundamental analysis. Okay, so technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is we read the pattern on chart. Okay, let's see, we have example. Right now we have this GBP USD chart. So what we do here, we will read the price pattern over this chart. Okay, and as per our knowledge we will analyze the chart based on technical analysis and then we buy or sell. Okay, we can use different types of indicators: support, resistance, supply, demand, order block, breaker block, fair value gap, imbalance, liquidity, or there are different types of uh, what we say indicators are over there, like moving average, simple moving average, exponential moving average. Okay, and MACD, RSI, stochastic, and so many things are there. Okay, so this is a way we do technical analysis, and by technical analysis we come to a conclusion: either price is going to rise or price is going to fall, and then depending on our technical analysis conclusion we go and invest or buy and sell in the market. So this was something about technical analysis. When we talk about fundamental analysis, fundamental analysis is something different thing. In this we have to look into the particular thing fundamentally. Let's see, we are taking an example of Tata Power. So Tata Power or Tata Motors. So let's see, we want to invest in Tata Motors. Okay, so we have to go ahead and look into the company profile, profit of the company, loss of the company. Okay, company profit loss, what company is doing in last 3 4 years, are they exponentially growing, what are their profit loss in the year, how people are investing in the company, and there are fundamental things which we need to look in the market. So this is something about our share market thing. If we are going to do a fundamental analysis. In the same way, if we are going to trade in the forex market or in the international market for day trading, so there are some news like NFP, which is non-farm payroll, then PPI, then CPI, consumer price index, then inflation, then there are some bank news. All these things we have to go ahead and look into it, and then we decide, okay, this is the fundamental of the current situation of that particular thing, and then we go ahead and buy and sell depending on the fundamental analysis. For fundamental analysis, there are few websites where we go and we can learn about it, like forexfactory.com, Investopedia, and all that. So on this, let's see, right now I'm on this forexfactory.com. So it will tell us what is the next upcoming news event. That is all fundamental. Okay. So you see, like 21st of August, 11:30 p.m. in the night time, as per India, we have a FOMC meeting. So that is a fundamental thing. Whatever that meeting result will be, that affect market very powerfully. Okay, so this is the thing. Then unemployment claim, flash manufacturing PMI, Fed Chair Powell speaks, and so on. Okay, so these are the things we look in the fundamental analysis. So based on our technical analysis and fundamental analysis, we have to go ahead and invest or do trading as per our knowledge. Okay, so this is the thing. So what I told you guys here, that only two types of analysis we need to understand. One, to be profitable in the market. It could be share market, crypto market, day trading, futures and options, anything. You have to master something on technical analysis, and second is fundamental analysis. Okay. So now in next few videos, I'll go ahead and start a series of technical analysis where you guys can learn and see how technical analysis and chart patterns and everything work in the market. So I wish like that will be helpful for few guys in the market. So I wish everyone a very good trading, happy trading, and I wish you everyone a good luck. And see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.